Hey, what's up, Georgia here? Just a quick little ammo haul. I got these 3 boxes of Remington Extra Hard Lead Shot Nitro Turkey 10 packs, 12 gauge, 2 3/4, 1.5 ounce 5 shot. The rebate's already over with. I got them at $6 a piece, where they're originally like $9.50 a pack. That was at Walmart, and of course I was at Academy. I got a box of Monarch 380 95 grain full metal jacket brass case, and a box of Monarch 9mm 115 grain full metal jacket steel case. No, just buy what you can when you can, because who knows what may come. So y'all take care. Enjoy yourself.